Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best deviled egg piping tool is probably one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets for creating restaurant-quality deviled eggs at home, transforming a classic appetizer into an elegant and impressive dish. This tool not only makes perfectly piped deviled eggs effortlessly but also opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to experiment with different fillings, colors, and decorative swirls, taking your deviled egg game to a whole new level and impressing your friends and family with your culinary skills. Number 5. MuYwa Piping Bag Set. This amazing set contains everything you need to create beautiful cake decorations. It's affordable, fast, and easy to use. It's made to last. Assembly, cleaning, and even dishwashing are a breeze. Switching tips is mess-free thanks to the coupler. The soft, flexible silicone bag is lightweight, non-stick, and comfortable to hold. Its non-slip surface makes cleaning quick and easy. This essential kit lets you create stunning flowers and patterns on cakes, cupcakes, and more. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. Decorating pastries is now a fun family activity. Get creative with your kids and make lasting memories together. With 6 stainless steel tips, a reusable silicone bag, and a plastic coupler, it has all the tools you need to make delicious treats even more beautiful. What we like? If you're starting your baking journey and looking for an economical set, this is a great option. It's easy to clean and the reusable silicone bag makes it super convenient. If you enjoy trying different decorating styles without breaking the bank, this kit is perfect for you. What people say? Works great. Clean up a breeze. It worked for exactly what I needed it to work for. I used this yesterday morning to pipe 4 different frostings onto 150 plus mini cupcakes. It was very easy to reassemble between each frosting change. The screw-on mechanism for the nozzles stopped any leakage. The bag is sturdy. Number 4. Prepworks Frosting Decorating Kit. This kit makes cake decorating easy and fun. It comes with everything you need to create beautiful designs. It has 2 reusable silicone bulbs. They're microwave safe for easy melting of chocolate or warming of ganache. These tips let you create a variety of looks, from delicate swirls to bold patterns. Experiment and have fun. Each bulb holds 3/4 cup of frosting. They are also dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup. It's great for cookies, cakes, cupcakes, and more. Let your creativity shine. Store the tips inside the bulbs for easy storage and to keep them organized. What we like? If you love warm ganache or fillings, this is the kit for you. The microwave-safe bulbs allow for easy warming of your ingredients. With 6 different tips, you can create many designs. If you value convenience and quick cleanup, this is a great choice. What people say? Love that they're easy to clean, as I just toss everything into the top rack of my dishwasher, and they're super easy to use. These were perfect. Easy to use and easy to clean. They are so much easier on the hands than traditional plastic squeeze bottles. It's almost like squeezing a stress ball. They are super easy to fill, refill, empty, clean, and they air dry pretty quickly. They also work with all of my piping tips. Number 3. Wilton Dessert Decorator Pro. It lets you create stunning stars, flowers, leaves, and other intricate designs. With 5 decorating tips, a fill tip, and 2 couplers, the possibilities are endless. This frosting gun features a one-handed plunger for smooth, precise icing application. You'll have complete control for quick and easy decorating. It's perfect for cakes, cookies, pies, brownies, candies, and even deviled eggs. Elevate all your baking creations with ease. The included storage bag keeps everything secure and accessible. No more hunting for misplaced tools. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. It will withstand frequent use, ensuring years of reliable performance. This 10-piece set makes decorating baked goods and appetizers a breeze. Get yours today and unleash your inner baker. What we like? If precise and quick decorating is your priority, this tool is a game changer. The one-handed plunger gives you effortless control, perfect for intricate designs. It's incredibly versatile, ideal for everything from cakes to deviled eggs. If you appreciate efficiency and professional-looking results, this is for you. What people say. It cuts the time down a lot, just what I needed. It's much better quality. Very easy to use. My 10-year-old daughter uses it to decorate cupcakes and they turn out beautifully. Very effective decorator tool with fluffy, lightweight frostings, such as buttercream and cream cheese frosting. The variety of tips are easy to change, and the design makes refilling the chamber with frosting quite easy. Everything comes apart for washing. Number 2. Cake Piping Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create stunning cakes and pastries. It's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The piping tips are made of durable, food-grade stainless steel. They're long-lasting, easy to clean, and dishwasher-safe. With 25 different nozzles, you can create a wide range of decorative styles. From classic swirls to intricate designs, the possibilities are endless. The set comes with a durable storage case to keep your tips organized and protected. Finding the right tip is quick and easy. You'll also receive a free silicone icing bag, couplers, disposable bags, and an ebook with delicious recipes. It's a complete package. We're so confident you'll love this set that we offer a full refund if you're not completely satisfied. Your happiness is our priority. What we like. If you want a wide variety of decorating options, this comprehensive kit has you covered. It comes with numerous tips and extra accessories, ensuring you have everything you need. If a risk-free purchase is important to you, the satisfaction guarantee makes this a smart choice. What people say. This is a great set to have for frosting and decorating. My daughter is in culinary and wants to open a bakery. She ordered these to practice decorating cakes and stuff with. She loves them. She said they are easy to work with and the bags haven't leaked so far. Just as described. Number 1. Norpro Cupcake Injector Set. This amazing 9-piece set lets you get creative with your cupcakes. It's not just about the outside. Now you can fill them with delicious surprises. With its half-cup syringe and 8 different frosting tips, it's easy to add fillings and create stunning decorations. Use it for cupcakes, of course, but also try it on other treats like cannolis, cream puffs, or even deviled eggs. Changing tips is a breeze. Just screw the coupling on and off. It's that easy. It comes with instructions and recipes to help you get started. Let your imagination run wild. Made of durable stainless steel, it's built to last and will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. What we like. If you love filled cupcakes and want to add a unique touch to your desserts, this is a must-have. It allows you to fill and decorate your treats with ease. If you appreciate a tool that's both functional and fun to use, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. So easy to use and my eggs looked totally pro. There are several tips included for different designs and the tool itself is smooth and easy to hold and use. Cleanup was easy also. The container was very sturdy and easy to carry. Exactly what I wanted for deviled eggs. Game changer. Makes it so much easier and pretty. Very durable. Easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.